is product D3095 and this is the Croft 1804 flush lock handle. This is in the shade Oil Rubbed Bronze and this is the lock type. Flush handles are used on sliding doors. To operate, you simply lift the handle and twist. This is available in many shades. It also comes as a Euro profile type 2. The length for this is 146mm. The width of this is 70mm. And the depth is 16mm. As you can see, it is a beautiful flush lock handle, which is all handmade by Croft, which is all British made, and it would look beautiful on any sliding door.